For these, I'm going to convert to denary at the end. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to multiply 3.1 times 4, which is 12.4. Then I'm going to use my power laws to know that these parts multiplied together gives 10 to the power 9. This isn't in proper standard form. So if I divide this by 10, it will be in standard form. If I divide this part by 10 to compensate, I multiply by 10 as well. So it gives me 10 to the power 10. Now, I've got the 10 here. I've got two numbers that I've got to move through the decimal place. So I'm going to start off with 1, 2, 4. That leaves me 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm done. For the division, I like to think of it more like this. 2.0 times 10 to the 7 over 5 times 10 to the 5. So I can at this point do this division, which is 0.4. And then dividing powers, you subtract, so that gives me 2. This isn't in standard form for me at the moment, so I'm going to multiply that by 10, which means I'm going to drop a 10 off the power. 4 times 10 is 40 in denary. Your alternative is to take each of the numbers and just turn them into normal numbers to begin with, but that can take a long time. Try the second column. Second column, 3 times 1.3 is 3.9. 10 to the 6 times 10 to the 5 is 10 to the 11. So once I've moved the 3 and the 9 one place along, I've got 39, which leaves, I've moved them once, I've got 10 to go. So I need 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. On the division, I've written it as a fraction, so I can see what I'm doing a little bit more. So I've got 2.5 divided by 5 is 0.5. 7 take 9 is a negative 2. Now I'm just going to change this into standard form. So this is 5. I've increased this by times and by 10. So I'm going to decrease this by dividing by 10. So that gives me 10 to the negative 3. So here we go. That would be 0.005. Press pause. Try the third column. Third column, 1.2 times 4 is 4.8. 10 to the 5, 10 to the 3 gives me 10 to the 8. So one number after the decimal, so if I times by 10, I get 48, which means I've only got 10 to the 7 to multiply by. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the last one, 2.4 divided by 6, and we've got 10 to the 4 over 10 to the minus 3. So 2.4 divided by 6 is 0.4. 4 minus minus 3 is 7. So once again, times by 10 to start with gives me 4, and that leaves me 10 to the 6, which is 6 zeros.